Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dongayan. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Now, first and foremost, I just want to make a little clarity or just explain something about a comment that was said in the comment section. Somebody had asked, why do I call haki a survival dish? I want to try to clear up this. I did not say the haki was a survival dish. And I think in the earlier part of the video, I had said that when it can be served with more than one protein type, but it becomes our national dish when we serve it with saltfish. Originally, it is served with saltfish as our national dish, which still is, okay. Now, we put so many different twists as Jamaicans. We put many twists and turns to it. We serve it with tin mackerel. Some people put it with salt mackerel. We serve it with red herring. I have the tin mackerel and the red herring version up. And in the description of that video, we had left them. And we are going to do so in this one as well. When I say survival, I mean that of all the things that we twist it and turn it with, the chicken back is the most economical one. Why? Because you would have to go get coconut oil for the others. The chicken back produces its own oil, as you saw in the video. And for me, that's economical. And once it's economical, for me, it automatically becomes survival. Okay? I hope I've cleared that up. Now today, right here, we're going to do for you, I'm going to show you how to get some chicken gizzard properly cooked off. Now some people don't like the chicken gizzard, you know, because they say they don't like it. It's of a chewy. In Jamaica, we say it's hardy, toughy. But otherwise, it's of a chewy nature. So I'm going to show you today, I'm going to teach you today how you can get your chicken gizzard. I like chicken gizzard from when I was a child growing up. My daughter likes it. Okay? So, I'm going to show you how you go about putting your chicken gizzard nice, what you can serve it up with, getting it for a nice Sunday morning breakfast. I'm going to show you what you can use with it to get a nice Sunday morning breakfast. Well, I'll not show you how you get it to make a dinner. I'll just tell you what you can use to twist it for dinner or lunch or something. Right here. Now, this is not cleaned as yet, but I want to show you something. This piece here is a piece, a yellow piece. I don't know whether I'm not sure if I remember what the name of it is. But you would need, make sure you don't cook it with this part onto it, because this part is bitter. This part, it comes off the bitter gall. I'm not sure if that is the correct name, you know. Somebody correct me, please. I have some brilliant family member in the comments. I know bitter gall is not the right thing. It connects to a green part in the intestine there. So this part here, it is bitter, but it is useful. As a child growing up, when we kill our chicken, then my mom would save this, leave them to dry. And when you cough too much, and she said, hello, you're coughing too much, you're going to have whooping cough. She have this dry, she boil it and give it to us. That's what it was used for. And any of you who are as ageable as I am and knows about this, that was born and grown in the country part or any country part of any other island or country, and you used to see your parents or them boil it and give it for too much coughing or whooping cough, please to leave it in the comment section. Don't prepare your gizzard with this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We have some extra fat on these. We're going to trim them. Trim them off, and we're going to get them sliced a little thinner or a little finer, because this chewiness where people don't like and it will turn them off, we're going to address that. So we're going to use some apple cider vinegar. Trim it up here. Use some apple cider vinegar to soak it in and to clean it and to take off that little, you know. It have this little smell here. You know, that little intestine. You know the little smell where the liver, chicken liver, and all of them. So we're going to use the apple cider vinegar to take care of that. Yeah, so when you see me back, the apple cider vinegar, we clean up them little extra fat here and little, you know, animal fat inside. So clean it up, cut it up to you know, and then you're going to see how we're going to do it. So when we come back, we're going ready and I'm going to show you how me season up mine. Okay? Okay, now family, we're ready for the road. We have everything all wash, you know, clean up, all of that. And you notice, liquor than next to nothing water. We have right over here, we have a pot, and I'm using some chicken oil. Some oil where we cook fried chicken off in it. If you have some of that and it's still in good use, you use it to get that flavor. So we're burning a piece of garlic. So you turn it down low because we have to go wise now. We don't want the garlic burn. So what we're gonna do, right over here, we have it over here, and we're just going with chicken gizzard. So we're just going rub up with chicken gizzard with just a little salt and a little pepper. Yeah, I don't never see me use my pear hand yet. Hands are clean, so I'm just going to rub it in. We don't marinate nothing, you know, because them things are a serious thing, you know, so we run for everything different, you know. Then no marinating and then something like this. This don't need no marinating. So we have to eat over here and see a garlic there. Flame up. We have got hot sizzle now, you know. Listen. So you're going to put down your chicken gizzard. Because we are using the pressure cooker. We are going to use the pressure cooking method. And I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to get my hands all washed right here. So, okay, hands were washed. And you know you have to wash your hands. So we have a thing right over here. Flame up to the max. Because we are going to get with gizzard. And a little brown thing inside here. We're not going to cover it because we don't want it, no excess water. Nice garlic flavor. You see the garlic in there? And we are going to get with gizzard all brown off and get a little color inside of the pot. High flame. Right over here now, I have some pimento powder. I'm not going to use all of this. This is a bit too much. Some crushed coriander seeds. I have some garlic. I have an onion. I have some scallion. I have a little piece of ginger, a little cayenne pepper, and I have some soy sauce. Now, when that reaches the limit where it starts to get a little brown color, I'm going to go ahead off camera, chop these fine, get a nice little thing put together in. So when you come back now, we're going to have that half brown off, and we're going to put in the rest of our seasoning, our herbs. If you use like garlic powder and like all-purpose, feel free. But do not season it up as from now with it, because you don't want it itching, because some of them tend to be powdery and clumpy, and you don't want it burned. Okay, I'm using the pressure cooker. Why? You can cook it in a regular pot or something, but it takes a lot of time. It takes so much time. This thing is hard, it's chewy. So I'm gonna use my pressure cooker to get it cook off nice, fast, and better yet, soft, that you can enjoy your food. Okay, now family, right in here, you see we get a nice little prettiness brown off and pretty. You see it pretty? Hello, look at this. Alright, you see it brown and pretty and nice? It don't cook yet, you know. It tough like any Spanish tongue and cup same way. Okay? So we have a nice little thing here where we set up. We set up a nice little seasoning blend with some great, you know my regular thing, grated ginger, grated garlic. We have some coriander. We don't have no powdered seasoning per se, just natural herbs. But if you use a powdered seasoning, do your thing, So we have scrape everything in there. But we'll leave in the description in case you're interested in our herbs that we use. I will leave for you in the description as I always do, okay? So we are going to get really little herbs. Because look here, we didn't marinate nothing, you know. So we are going we are marinate it here now on the stove, you know. Look at this. I eat to the max. Okay? Because it's not cooked. So this is how we go and marinate in ours. Yeah, we are make it stay there and get a little gel round. While I say something to you, come right in on this camera girl. Now, come camera girl, get right in on this one. You see this little part here with this little green thing? If you should be seasoning, because sometimes when you season it, you know, this green part don't come up, you know, it's when it hit the oil. Put the camera up on me. When it hits the oil, you see this little green part come up. If you should be doing it, and you see any of them come up like this, start browning it off, take it out. This is the part that the bitter gall get caught on. When they were doing it, never done properly, or sometimes not really done properly. The bitter gall, that green part, I don't know if it's bitter gall. Could you all help me please, who know? That green, a little green thing was shaped like a little liver, and it's green inside the intestine there. It bursts on this. Please do not. It's not going to kill you, but it's bitter like anything. I not even know. Right? So please, if you should find this when you start browning it off and you see any of them come up with this, please to take it out. Sometimes you see it on the meat when you're not browning it. We got to get right in, okay? We're okay there. But sometimes you don't see it until it hits the hot oil. Please be reminded, don't cook it at a part you're going to really bitter, like the butter breadfruit. No, right here. So, this is how we marinate in ours. And you see it have that nice little pretty brown color there? So we marinate this thing here. As I'm telling you, it don't start cooking. We're getting this pretty little part. Now, you're going to use some soy sauce. I didn't get even my right soy sauce. But this is the one I get. This one is not so hot, but it's salty too. So I'm going to put in a little, not more, not much, because I don't even know how the nature of this one. Well, we're trying to look a nice, pretty color that when this thing is over, when it's properly cooked, we not have the thing, with no color. We are turning way off, we don't want food to. Hot water, your kettle must be boiling. Gonna tip a little. That's gonna show you how you tip it. From high heat all the way, baby. Just a small amount. Because you want to search for that color now. That when it cooks, you have a nice pretty little color. You don't want when this thing cook, this thing all get white from you. Alright now. You're gonna put about. Alright, that's it. So depending on the amount of liver. Sorry, gizzard, this is what we have. Alright? Yeah man, look at this. This thing good. When this thing done, you're gonna put it on medium heat now. It's in the pressure cooker, medium heat. Look here. So you're going to leave it right there, so. We are going to put on with pressure cooker. It is going to be, where is the cover of, okay y'all. Alright. We're going to put, we look like we can take a little bit more water, but listen. Whoops. I'm sorry, our kitchen with there. Don't let it catch the gizzard of itself. So on this medium thing, and because the pressure cooker, it produced a nice little thing that where it lock in the steam, it will let it cook faster. No, you don't have to, let me just lower my flame a little more. Right? You don't have to use the pressure cooker. It's gonna take you some time. So what you'd have to do, let's say you are using your pot, your skillet. You do it just the same as I do in the skillet. We're just omitting the pressure cooking process now. So you'd have to have your hot water, and you saw how I threw the water a little at a time. As soon as that one is dried out, that's it. You put a little and a little and a little until you get it cooked nice and soft. But remember, if you're going to do it for breakfast, this process, not the pressure cooker process, it might end up for dinner because it takes an awful long time. So when our little thing done in the pressure cooker here, we are going to return. Okay now family, right in camera girl. So we look at cook down thing finish. And you see what we get down in at the bottom? Alright? We're going to get the flame back up. Because we want some gravy in this thing. Okay? So, gravy time now. A little water, high heat. We're going to make some gravy. Okay, because that back cold family, I have it under there. If you want a little more water, we're going to make some gravy. Because this thing, you have it here. It have it one nice little thing going in there, to make it one gravy. So look here now. You see the nice pretty color that you have? Because as Jamaicans, we like our meat with color, You all know that. Once you're Jamaican, for your meat have a pretty color. We have put some ketchup in this thing here. Because we want some nice thick gravy. Okay? And we're going to put a little cayenne pepper. You can put scotch bonnet, but I'm not putting it because my daughter is going to eat it. And she doesn't eat scotch bonnet. She can't manage the scotch bonnet. So you put a little cayenne. Do it to your family like it. Yeah. So we just a little gravy we are going to make it on high heat. So you have it right there. And make sure you give it some rigorous stirring because this thing you done, Okay, now look at what you're getting in the pot as gravy. Look at it. Look at it. Alright. You want taste now for the salt perfection because we never use the whole salt. We on point, man. We on point. Lower. We have the little gravy thing. We didn't put a lot of salt. But this soy sauce, it is a little salty, so it does just the trick. It's a little more salty than my original one. Okay? That's why I put such a small amount of salt, because I'm not familiar with the salt thing in this one. Alright, watch me. Right back inside here, because this gravy thing is not a long boil long thing, you know. Who stir? Who stir? Look at the gravy. Look at the gravy, y'all. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Ready. Now we're going to plate up some of this gizzard. Who told you gizzard could look so nice and pretty? Alright. Come. Guys, look here. I'm going to plate out some of the chicken gizzard there. You don't want so much gravy. Remember, we not plate we just plating up some, you know. So if you don't want so much gravy in a year one, which me think you go want, because when me show you where you eat it with, me think you go want some gravy. You're going to want to have some nice fried dumpling to the side. Yeah. Okay? And you're going to want to have either a little steamed callaloo or a little stir-fry cabbage right here. With your fried dumpling. Master God, when you hit the fried dumpling in a this gizzard gravy, yeah, all hell broke loose. Alright, man. So you know, put the dumpling them in it, you know. You just put your little whatever you want, whatever your vegetable of choice, you just put it right there. And you have your fried dumpling then to the side. And you get some in to make some tea. Typical Sunday morning breakfast. You do this on a Sunday when everybody is home. Where you know so everybody, because you know so mostly on a Sunday, at that time the people have the time as family for everybody get to have breakfast. But look here, this is a traditional breakfast to me some Sunday morning, and a lot of people, but a whole lot of people now want the gizzard because the chewiness, the cookiness, the toughiness. Hey, hello. Hi. If you don't want it, I know some of them oil and gravy. Do what you want, do the amount that you want, because look here, I want it to eat with the fried dumpling, and you all who want it to eat with the fried dumpling, do the same. And that when I eat before I present, I'm not that rude. From my kitchen to yours, to your family table, to your Sunday morning breakfast table, it's chicken gizzard done from scratch, soft, nice, juicy. Okay, y'all? If you have liked the preparation of this chicken gizzard, please give this video a thumbs up. Please to leave your comments below, and remember to subscribe. Most of all, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you. And share the videos. Continue to share. Remember, man, chicken gizzard, yeah, man. Debbie from down a yard, I said bless, no stress, but camera girl, don't cut me off, because I'm going to eat piece of this gizzard for them. Yeah, man. I don't want to like gizzard now. Too toughy. I want a gizzard. It's too toughy. This is the gizzard. This is how you get it, sir. And with the dumpling, and with the thing. I've got to eat because we prepared it to eat, so I've got to show you that it's soft. Yeah?